Hey, what's up guys? CynicVash here. I just got into the hobby of painting miniatures, and I had these old Mr. Hobby metallic paints, and I tried to clean the bottle essentially and basically repurpose the bottle for I don't know, whatever use. Just, you know, I just didn't want to waste it. I did try the method of boiling it for like a few minutes. Hold on, I have to open that real quick. The cap did capsize or concave, I guess, fill in itself. So there is a rubber in there if you're using Mr. Hobby's metallic paints. Don't try that method. What I just found out just now, as you can see, as trial and error. So basically, don't do what I did. Just go straight to this. Yes, this is a brake parts cleaner. Specifically this brand. This is what I'm using. I don't know if it might be different in your neck of the woods, but basically brake parts cleaner, brake clean. Just basically spray inside the bottle and shake it around, and you know, you may have to do some elbow grease. This is whatever I had available at home. I'm sure there's other things and more professional ways to remove this paint, but this was just spare the moment because I don't know, it's the weekend and I'm bored, and I'm gonna switch the cam to me holding and working on this. Oh, sorry, this is so amateurish. I'm not gonna edit this. It's gonna be a lazy edit. Where are we? Here. There we go. Okay. So basically, spray inside the bottle. Oh my god, this thing is not holding. This will be edited out. Okay, and I only have 20% battery. Real amateur stuff going on right now. So, I only sprayed a little bit in this one. It did take out some of the particles and whatnot. Oh, so step one, let the paint dry. Do not do what I did and do the whole method of, you know, just straight boiling. I kind of followed a 1-minute video. This video is taking too long. As you can see, the paint is, where's the camera? Here, there. Oh wow, it's right here. The paint is really coming off, and you just, you know, get that off with your hands or whatever under the sink. Just, and I do recommend using gloves. It's probably safer to use gloves. I'm not using gloves. You might want to use gloves in case, if you don't feel comfortable. If you trying to be manly man, you need gloves action, then go for it, whatever. But look at that, it just pretty much cleared off the bottle. It would have been more cleaner if I let it dry. The paint was wet, so don't do what I did. So leave your paints out to dry, or if you use all paint and, you know, there's no paint left, do this. Just let it dry out, and maybe a couple days, maybe a day or two, or if you want to try overnight, experiment, whatever. This is total amateur video action. So for stuff like the paint on the outside, turn off the water, yada yada yada. I can't really spray because my finger is broken. And just spray like thus. Yes, you should be using gloves. I'm not. Maybe even use a better brush than a toothbrush, but this is an amateur video, so we are trying with regular toothbrush. I'm gonna wash this later, and you know, I forgot to brush my teeth this morning, so I might have to. Nah, I'm just kidding. But anyways, yeah, a little elbow grease, if you don't mind, you know, taking the time to do this. Yeah, there you go. I mean, look, it's coming right off. A little elbow grease. And there we go. You may, I don't know how to, I don't know. I'm just gonna use my thumb, whatever. Again, use gloves and do it this way. And this is, it's gonna get messy. be ready. It's not stained. Just, you know, have some dishwashing soap and a sponge, and there you go. Just some elbow grease. It should take it out. If you gotta spray some more, spray some more. Probably better without the water, but you know, And then grab the cap again. Shake, shake, shake. You can see the paint slipping away on the glass. So this is my method that I figured out. Oh, well, watching other YouTube videos, and someone did mention brake cleaner fluid or brake parts cleaner, in fact. And then, you know, just go in like that. I'm pretty sure probably not the safest way or cleanest way, but this is my way that I figured out, and I just kind of wanted to share this video. And if you're still watching, thanks for watching. I've been Cynic, and of course with more time it's going to be much more cleaner. So there you go, guys. If you guys have any old Mr. Hobby's metallic paints, or if maybe even just the regular paints, you can use brake parts cleaner. Just gotta use a little elbow grease, and if you saw earlier, I did soak each part in detergent. I used OxiClean. You don't have to use OxiClean. You could just use any laundry detergent. The smell of like from the brake cleaner is gone, especially on the plastic cap. It's gone. The only thing, probably the smell of the brake cleaner will stay, or maybe even from the paint, the actual paint will stay on the little inner plastic cap. So you may have to over soak or heat, or maybe even do without. So I still will keep some of them because I think I did a fairly good job on some of this. It's a good, you know, nice sealer, but I don't think I'm gonna use this for food. So I mean, if you want to use this for food or something, go for it, but just be careful. But I think I may use this for other projects. I don't know. I just kind of want to be resourceful, and it does still close. If you look at that one, it's still closed. Sorry, I kind of like all over the place, but yeah, brake parts cleaner. It will do the job with some elbow grease. Hope that was enjoyable, and give me some thumbs ups and subscribes, and give me your comments. If you have any questions, let me know if I left out anything, or if you have any questions about my Twitch. Check out my Twitch. I stream whenever I can, and I paint whatever I can. I'm on this project right now. It's probably done by now if you're seeing this like a year later. But anyways, thanks guys, appreciate it. You guys have a good one.